In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Leo in Brave Browser. First, let's start by opening Brave Browser. Look for the Brave icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once you find it, double-click the icon to launch the browser. You will see the familiar Brave interface come up, featuring a clean design and a search bar at the top. This initial step is crucial because it sets the stage for all the following actions. Opening the browser correctly ensures you can access all the settings you need. Once Brave is open, focus your attention on the upper right corner of the window. You will notice the Fiero menu icon, which resembles three horizontal lines stacked on top of one another. Click on this menu icon to reveal a drop-down list of options. This menu is your gateway to various features and settings within Brave. It is important to locate this menu correctly as it houses all the necessary settings that we will be adjusting. From there, within the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Click on it to proceed. This action will take you to a new page where you will find a comprehensive range of settings that control how Brave operates. Navigating to the settings is essential because it allows you to customize your browsing experience according to your preferences. You will feel more in control over your browser after adjusting these settings. Now, on the Settings page, scroll down until you find the section specifically for Leo. Click on Leo to access the options related to this feature. Here, you will see various settings that pertain to Leo, the AI chatbot integrated into the Brave browser. Understanding this section is important as it allows you to manage how Leo interacts with you while you browse. You can decide whether or not you want to continue using this feature. Next up, you will see a toggle switch near the top of the Leo settings. This is where you can turn Leo off. Click the switch to disable Leo. Once you do this, you will notice that Leo will no longer be active in your browser. This simple action can enhance your browsing experience, especially if you prefer a more streamlined interface without distractions. It's a straightforward step that makes a big difference. After turning Leo off, you might want to consider cleaning up any saved data. To do this, look for the option that says Clear Leo Data. Click on this option if you wish to remove any saved chats and reset your Leo settings. This step is particularly useful if you want a fresh start or if you no longer wish to keep records of past interactions. By clearing this data, you ensure that your browser is free from any unnecessary clutter. Once you click Clear Leo Data, a confirmation message may appear to ensure you want to proceed. Confirm your choice to finalize the action. This is an important safeguard that protects against accidental deletions. You will feel reassured knowing you have control over what data is kept or removed. With that ready, you have now successfully disabled Leo in your Brave browser. You can revisit the settings at any time if you decide to enable Leo again in the future. This flexibility allows you to customize your browsing experience as needed. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has helped you feel more confident in managing your browser settings.